Hello! Welcome to English Fluency 101. My name is Kelvin. Today we're going to be discussing greetings and how to answer them. These are mainly common greetings when you're meeting friends or someone you know. The most common greeting is hello or hi. Hello, hi, followed by how are you? How are you? Most commonly, you'll get an answer, I'm great, or I'm good, or many others. We're going to discuss that in a little bit. Another good way to greet them is to say, how are you doing? How are you doing? How are. That's short for how are. How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Another common way to greet someone would be by saying, how's it going? How's it going? It's going great. It's going good. That just means that everything in your life is going good. If you want to get with the hip guys, you might want to ask them, hey, what's up? This is for when you greet a best friend or someone that you really know well. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's happening? What's happening? That means what's happening in your life. And they would probably answer, not too much, not too much. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's happening? Not too much. That brings us to the replies for these questions. If someone were to come up to you and say, hi, how are you? The positive remarks, or to speak in a positive manner, you could say, good. I'm great. I'm fantastic. I'm excellent. This is more common than the typical, I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. In North America, I don't think I have ever heard anybody say, I'm fine. I'm fine. It's usually, I'm good. I'm great. I'm excellent. I'm fantastic. On a negative note, if you're not feeling so good, you could also answer, I'm bad. That just means not feeling good. I'm not so good. I'm not doing too good. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. That's when you could ask them, what's wrong? Or they would answer you, I'm in a bad mood. That's a little bit of a warning. I would stay away. I'm in a bad mood. Unless you're a very good friend, then you might be able to help. And there are other ways that you could answer this. Hi, how are you? I'm hungry. These are actual body feelings that you would be discussing. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm sore. I'm sore. That would be possibly from when you have done some extra work, maybe in the yard, cut the grass, and you're not used to it, then your body feels sore. Or maybe you played tennis too hard and you twisted your ankle or something. I'm sore. Anyway, that's it for English Fluency 101 today. We discussed greetings and their responses. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends if this helped you with your English learning. So until next time, see you then. Bye-bye for now.